Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix DELL monitor not turning on. If you find the solution of your problem, then you will need to follow some steps. First, focus on power cable not connecting correctly. The power cable not fully engaged into the power connector of your monitor. The power cable may appear to be connected, but a gap between the plug seating surface and the base cover of the LCD display can occur. Here you will see in the diagram. The power cable is not fully sealed. For that, remove the power cable. Ensure that there is no debris or other mechanical reason for the cable to not fully seat. Then reset the power cable until the connector is flush with the display chassis. Here you will see in the diagram fully seated power cable. But if your monitor has no power and the power LED is off, then you will have few options to consider. If the monitor appears to have no power and there is no indication that the power LED is on, try these steps to see if any of them will be correct the issue. First, press the power button and wait for 3 to 5 seconds. Then test the power outlet being used by plugging in another electrical device and verify that there is power. Third, ensure that the power cable is fully inserted at both ends. 4. Swap with a non-good power cable if one is available. And in the last, verify the exact location of the power light on the monitor by using the monitor user guide. There can be in different locations on different monitor models. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.